It's a diamond tipped drill bit.
I believe the stud is right here, so we're going to drill the hole right around here and then get the receptacle into the wall and flush and drilled securely into the stud. So far the bit is working incredibly well considering it's only $40. Okay, we're almost through. The drill bit is doing great. The actual drill is overheating, so let's see if it'll survive. Look at this. Look how thick that piece of tile was. This is drywall. That tile has got to be half an inch thick. So drill bit did a very good job.